Norton Saint-Gobain, a century-old enduring legacy, an international brand known for its superior quality, now bring an innovative range of smart industrial Internet of Things solutions for grinding and machining process. An intelligent industry 4.0 process monitoring solution by Norton allows you to effectively monitor and increase the productivity and efficiency of your grinding and machining operation by using a state-of-the-art analytics system that is real-time, robust, scalable, and customizable with an artificial intelligence interface. The distinctive architecture of this smart IIoT solution allows on-site support for IIoT gateway setup, connecting your assets, secure data transmission, and advanced analytics application powered by artificial intelligence. Grindsmart helps to visualize the process in the chronological order of events occurring. Its advanced analytics functions will unveil the underlying opportunities to improve productivity, quality, cost, and health of the machine tool. The system also generates alerts and notification and has a highly interactive customer support. Data-driven insights to enhance the manufacturing process, improve part quality and geometry, identify opportunities to reduce cycle time, enhance tool life, understand things gone right and wrong, improve first time right, improve machine tool health, understand the effects of process parameters in production process. Grindsmart Advanced Data Acquisition System can collect various parameters from the grinding, milling and turning machines. The data can be processed and insightful inferences can be made. Advanced machine learning model can be developed to perform instant edge analytics and provide rapid feedback. Adaptive dressing is an intelligent feature in Grindsmart that enables dressing or reprofiling the wheel from fixed intervals to condition-based dressing. The grinding wheel can perform better, helps to produce burn-free parts and lasts longer life. Smart learning models, machine learning algorithms that evolve with every data point, predicting issues before they happen in grinding and machining cycles. Leverage predictive analytics to monitor and forecast the remaining useful life of machinery, ensuring timely maintenance and minimizing downtime. Get lightning-fast anomaly detection at the machine level with edge computing, no cloud delay. Real-time production dashboard, color codes for faster insights, data analysis to improve productivity, machine OEE tracking in real time, machine performance, availability and production status, KPIs for the manufacturing team, integrate to your ERP system, get production work order report, downtime report and quality report. Perform Pareto analysis, live and historical data trends with a custom time range displayed along with statistics help you analyze multiple metrics and monitor process health. Configure an alarm and get email alerts to warn the users about process deviations, anomalies and data connectivity. Convert alarms to tasks and track them for closure. Join forces with Norton for increased profitability. Feel free to connect for more information.